Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the dollar CAD ended up pushing back down. I think what happened here is we had a lower high wave C. So we had an A, a B, and a C with a lower high wave C. Most wave Cs do take out the structure of wave A, but they definitely don't always. So now what are we looking at? Are we looking at this move down as a pullback to this move up, meaning that it's going to go right to a Fibonacci level and then turn back up, continuing the higher time frame uptrend? Or is this really the end of a correction on the higher time frames and this is going to now be making lower lows and lower highs? That's definitely the question. So that means that the first push down is either an A or a 1. This is right here is like a running ABC for either a B or a 2. We are now either in a wave 3 or we're now in a wave C. How are we going to know a difference? Well, wave 3 will definitely bounce and it will make pullbacks, but it will not break structure. It will continue to make lower lows, lower highs. That's what a wave 3 will do. If it's a wave C, then it will potentially go to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, make like a double bottom, make a break of structure. That's what will tell us that we're looking at a wave C. So right now our job is to try to identify either the end of a wave C, or our job is to continue to look for shorts in this wave 3 if it just keeps on making lower lows and lower highs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpeculator.com, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.